Plaintiff Charlene Johnson says she loaned her daughter money for new furniture, but her daughter stopped paying. And now Charlene is suing her for $2,045. Defendant Sharmeen Brocks admits her mom loaned her the money, but says her mom changed the terms of the loan agreement after she'd already started paying. So she owes her mother nothing.
Yes.
Yes.
Morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
Doing good. This is case number 4 on the docket, Johnson versus Brock.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Judge.
Welcome to both of you. Plaintiff, Ms. Johnson, you are suing the defendant, Ms. Brocks, in the amount of $2,045 for a loan for furniture. And if I'm correct, Ms. Johnson, you are her mother.
I am.
You're suing your daughter.
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Why would you sue your own daughter?
Well, we had a good relationship before this.
Yeah.
I took out a line of credit for her because her credit is so she can't even get bubble gum on her credit.
She can't get bubble gum on credit?
She cannot.
So you asked Mom for help?
Yes.
Most parents would do that. You wanted to help her buy a furniture set.
Correct.
How much was this furniture set?
It was originally $21.25.
So you come into play here because you signed for the loan so she can afford the furniture.
Yes, sir, I did.
And how did you work that out?
The people said that the furniture would be $75 a month. But Sharmeen said, Ma, I can give you $150 a month.
To hurry up and pay it off so that I can get it up out of her name.
Oh, I see. Okay. So you two agreed that you would pay her $150 a month for the furniture that you paid for and signed your name on.
Yes.
Okay. So what happens now?
The first month, she was late.
How late was she?
Late.
Too late is?
Late to the point where it make my credit go down. The notes are due on the 15th. You can't pay on the 22nd.
Okay, so you were paying every month?
Yes, I had it where it would come direct deposit out of my account.
So in terms of your credit really wasn't affected because you had already arranged for the whole payment to be made, unbeknownst to her.
Yes.
So we're not talking about credit anymore.
Okay.
She said she'd pay you $150.
Yes.
For the first month, she did pay you, but it was, what, 2 weeks late?
Yeah, it was late.
What happened the second month?
The second month, I didn't get paid until the 27th with her little note that said that I was a lonely, miserable bee, and she really hated me.
This is not exactly a Valentine's card.
It is not. It was not. It was not.
Why would you say that to her?
Okay. First off, Your Honor, what she's telling you, that is not true.
What?
We went to the furniture store, and we did have the agreement of me paying her.
Yeah.
I asked my mom, I say, Mom, while we in the furniture store, I say, give me the information from the bank. I can have them take it out of my account myself. She had them do this because she is, I love my mother to death, Jerry,
no,
I swear I do, but she is very vindictive. She chose to have them take the payments out of her account so that way she can keep some type of control over the situation. My mother is at my house, Jerry. Every day my mom is at my house. Yeah. How we even got here is because my mother is mad at me. She did something really foul and I called her out on it.
Yeah.
She took it upon herself to sue me because this is the only way she knows how to
there's a
hurt
record
me.
here that you paid the second month.
I did pay her the second month.
In that note, you called her the B word.
A vindictive, she is. She is a very vindictive.
Okay, but after that, you said that, you still made the second payment.
I still made the payment.
Okay.
And I would never not pay her, and she knows this.
Okay, so you're filing suit to be paid this $150 a month, but in fact, she is making those payments, albeit a week or two late, but she is making the payment. This case may not yet be ripe. You are getting, even though you're fighting each other, she is still making the payment per month until you're until you're the $1,000 in debt or $1,000 that she owes you. You can't be filing the suit because she's paid you what you initially agreed to. I realize that she has been late with the payment, and technically that doesn't meet the exact language of the deal. However, it is not what I would call a material breach. So if it's a week or two late and it's your daughter and she does come up with it, so far she's 2 for 2, until she doesn't pay.
She ain't paid this month. She ain't paid last month at all.
You owe her for this month, right?
And why I owe her for March is because I got the paper saying she's suing me. So why, if you're suing me for a payment that was not even due yet, why would I give it to you when we can just handle whatever we gonna handle in court here now?
Right now, I don't see any reason for me to give you the whole sum when the deal was $150 a month, and until you filed a suit, she's been paying the $150 a month. Just one comment before I render the decision here is your mother and daughter. And every mother and daughter has a squabble sometime in their lives. There's often tension. That's normal. You both admitted that you love each other.
No, we didn't.
Whoa. You are saying you don't love your daughter?
Right now, I do not.
I'm not saying you're not angry at her, but...
I'm not angry.
You don't love your daughter?
Not right now, I do not.
What is love if you love this day, but you don't love the next day?
That's what it is right now. I do not love her today.
Think about that.
I have thought about it. She said I was vindictive, didn't she just tell you? You know, you can say things, but certain things, I don't care how mad you get, you don't say to me. She says she hate me, I'm gonna make her eat it. I don't hate her, but I ain't crazy about it right now.
You can fight and say horrible things sometimes to someone you love, but it's your
I'm her mama,
child.
You don't say that to me.
And she's a daughter, and you don't say that to her.
And I never told her I hate her. I don't care how mad she make me, I never would tell her that I hate her.
But you're saying you don't love your own daughter.
Right now, I don't.
You don't mean that.
Yeah, but I do. I just want my money.
All right. I'm dismissing the case without prejudice.
Thank you. All I want is my money. And if I have to get it this way, then so be it.
I love my mother, but I can love her from afar.
She can say what she wants to say. But the bottom line is, I want my money. I spend my money on people that aren't worthy of it. And I will not do this again. Why am I trying to hurt you?
You know why.
Why? What you got I want? You got nothing. You've never had anything that I want.
What you got?
My money.
Hey YouTube, check out my new show, Judge Jerry. Now for sneak preview and behind the scenes footage, subscribe to my channel now.